Voted Denver's best casino. Who voted?
They voted.
They voted. Okay. Wow. Oh, they got bubble wraps. $1 minimum. Cool. Yeah, $1 minimum. Go check. I'm gonna do a quick walkthrough. I'm gonna go in here real quick.
What it'll show up 34 and either of them hit.
Menu number is 34.
Gin and tonic.
Please.
Double.
Table games, slots. More slots. Wow, this casino was like bigger, way bigger than it looks on the outside.
Yes.
Yeah.
And it's the whole building.
Sign up for free and get up to $100 Instaplay. You want to sign up? Get a card? It's different. Yeah. It's its own casino. Try it out. I wonder if they have free play though. Buffalo. Jumping jalapenos. So I'm pretending so that I don't get bothered with this on my bag. Oh, all aboard. We might have to sit down and play. That means we gotta go get a card. All aboard. Yeah. Wow. What? Oh, we're gonna have to, I think we might have to get a card to play. Yeah. Luxury lines all by the entrance of the parking lot. I like that game. They have a lot of train games. Luxury line. It's great. I like about this black coffee. All the casinos have like free drinks and coffee. Yeah, free drinks, coffee. I wonder how good the coffee is here. Might have to get it in a second. Finish this walkthrough. Old school machines over here. Yep. Wow, a lot of games I've never seen before. A lot of old ones. Yeah. Wow, this is like the old school golden gong. That's that's pretty cool. So I guess you go get your player's card here, over in this corner, and then lightning link, light them up. You want to get a player's card?
Over here?
Yeah. See if they have a free sign-on bonus. Okay, I'm gonna go finish this walkthrough. Pretty spacious in here. Walking around the front, didn't look like it. Looked like it was really small. Alright, yeah, let's go take a look at the rest of the slot games over here. see if there's anything exciting. You know what's crazy is that we haven't seen the Cashman Bingo game here. She's been chasing that game to play. Oh. Alright, there's more slots over here. Look at this. It's like games hidden all over the place. Okay. And these are all 3 real games, 3 real slots. And then table games are up top over there. And what is this, the high limit area? High limit area. Here we go. Cool. Yeah. Video poker up on top. Table games up there. Yeah, that's the walkthrough.
Place your bets, please.
Alright, I'm gonna go get a player's card and see if they have any free play. Let's go check it out.